Hello students, now let's continue lesson number 3 on page number 31, paragraph number 7. Okay, let's see what happened next. Taro found a magic waterfall. From that he get a shake instead of water. Okay, he tasted again and again, and every time it was a delicious shake and not a water. Okay, let's see what happened next. Taro quickly filled the pitcher he had with him and hurried home. So pitcher means a pot usually made of mud. Okay, so he quickly filled the pitcher he had with him and hurried home and went back to home. The old man was delighted with the shake, so when he reached home, he gave it to his old father, and the old father drank that delicious shake, and he was very delighted. He was very happy to drink shake. Now let's turn the page. After only one swallow of the liquid, he stopped shivering and did a little dance in the middle of the floor. So after one sip, the old father of Taro was stopped shivering. Shivering means drujvu. So he was stopped shivering. He felt warm, and then he did a little dance in the middle of the floor. That afternoon, a neighbor stopped by for a visit. So, that afternoon, a neighbor came to the visit of Taro's home. Taro's father politely offered her a cup of the shake. So, the visitor was one lady, and Taro's father offered that lady a cup of shake. The lady drank it greedily and thanked the old man. So that old lady was also drank the shake greedily, and he thanked the old man. Then Taro told her the story of the magic waterfall. Okay, so Taro described all what has happened to him to that old visitor lady. Thanking them for the delicious drink, she left in a hurry. So, after hearing the story of that magic waterfall, that lady was left the house hurriedly. By nightfall, she had spread the story throughout the whole village. Okay, so that old visitor lady spread that magic waterfall story in the whole village. એણે આજે મેજિક વોટરફોલની સ્ટોરી હતી એ આખા વિલેજની અંદર સ્પ્રેડ કરી દીધી. That કોણે સ્પ્રેડ કરી? That old lady who visit Taro's house. That evening there was a long procession of visitors to the woodcutter's house. So by the evening, most of the villagers visit Taro's house. Each man heard the story of the waterfall, and Taro told about his magic waterfall story and took a sip of the shake. And every visitor who came to Taro's house, they drink one sip of shake. In less than 1 hour, the pitcher was empty. Okay, half hour ની અંદર જ જે pitcher full હતું, it was empty because Taro gives a one sip to all the visitor who came his house. So his pitcher was now empty. There was no shake left in his pitcher. Now next morning, Taro started for work even earlier than the morning before. Now Taro get up earlier than the morning before. આગળની સવારે જ્યારે ઉઠ્યો હતો એના કરતાં પણ જલ્દી ઉઠી ગયો Taro. He carried with him the largest pitcher he owned. Now he carried a bigger pitcher than he owned, for he intended first of all to go to the waterfall, and he wished to go to the waterfall first. So he carried a bigger pitcher with him. When he reached it, he found it, to his great surprise, all his neighbors there. When the taro reached at the waterfall, he was very surprised. Why? Because he found it all the neighbors were there present. They were carried pitcher, jars, buckets, anything they could find to hold the magic shake. So all the neighbors of Taro went to that magic waterfall, and they all carried with them anything, whatever they found, a jars, a buckets, a pitcher, whatever they found, they carry with them. Why they carry all these things with them? Because they also wanted to carry a delicious shake. Okay. Then one villager knelt and held his mouth under the waterfall to drink. So now one of them knelt and tasted that water. Okay, but he drank again and again, and then shouted angrily, "Water, nothing but water." So one of them, so there are many people gathered at the waterfall, and one of them was tasted that water, but he again and again tasted that water, and then he shouted angrily. What he shouted? That water, nothing but water. એને શું ટેસ્ટ લાગ્યો? It is only water and not it is shake. Other also tried, but there was no shake, only cold water. So other people, other neighbors who gathered there, they also tasted, but it was not shake. It was just a cold water. So all of them, all the neighbor who gathered there, all they are very angry. Okay, now why they are very angry? Because it was not shake, it was only water. So the last day, Taro told that there was a waterfall and it was a shake waterfall. ઓકે, આગલા દિવસે ટારોને આ વોટરફોલમાંથી શું મળ્યું હતું? ઇટ વોઝ શેક. ઓકે, સો આ શેકને લેવા માટે બધા જ નેબર્સ આ વોટરફોલ પાસે આવ્યા, પણ આ વોટરફોલની અંદર શેક નથી. એમને શું મળ્યું? ઇટ ઇઝ ઓનલી અ કોલ્ડ વોટર એન્ડ નોટ શેક. બધા જ નેબર્સને ઓનલી શું મળ્યું? વોટર મળ્યું. ઇટ વોઝ નોટ શેક. આ ડિલિશિયસ ડ્રિંક મળ્યું નહીં, શેક મળ્યું નહીં. So they were very angry. Okay, now let's turn the page here. So we can see here all the villagers were gathered near the waterfall, and they were become very angry. All the neighbors have something to carry that pitcher. બધા જ નેબર પાસે શું છે? કંઈક ને કંઈક છે, પિક્ચર છે, પોટ છે. ઓકે, વાય? બિકોઝ એમણે શું જોઈએ છે? અ ડિલિશિયસ શેક જોઈએ છે. ઓકે, ડિલિશિયસ ડ્રિંક જોઈએ છે. ક્યાંથી? આ વોટરફોલમાંથી. ઓકે, આવી સ્ટોરી એમને કોણે કહી હતી? સો that type of story told by Taro on previous day. So they gathered near waterfall, but they found it was just a water and not a shake. So they were very angry. Now let's see what happened. We have been tricked, shouted the villagers. Tricked means deceived, છેતરવું. Okay, ડગો કરવો. So tricked means deceived, છેતરવું or ડગો કરવો. So we have been tricked, shouted the villagers. Where is Taro? Let us drown him in this waterfall. So all the villagers were very angry and they wanted to drown the Taro in this waterfall. All the villagers were very angry because there was not Sake, they think that they had been tricked. એમને છેતર્યા છે. કોણે ટ્રીક કર્યા છે એમને? Taro. So they wanted to Taro drown him into the waterfall. But Taro had been wise enough to sleep behind a rock. Here is a Taro who is seen everything whatever happened here. ઓકે, ટારો અહીંયા છુપાઈને બધું જોઈ રહ્યો છે. ઓકે, so he was but Taro had been wise enough to sleep behind a rock. So hearing that sentence, Taro was slept behind the rock. So સાંભળ્યું એમણે? So let us drown him in this waterfall. આ વોટરફોલમાં એને ડૂબાડી દો. બધા શું કહી રહ્યા છે? He tricked with us, let us drown him in this waterfall. એમણે તારોએ આપણને બધાને છેતર્યા છે, ચાલો એને બધા થઈને આ વોટરફોલમાં ડૂબાડી દઈએ. So hearing that, Taro was wise enough and he was slipped behind a rock. આ બધું સાંભળ્યું એટલે તારો ક્યાં છુપાઈ ગયો? Behind a rock. When he saw how things were going, he was now here to be found. Now he was hiding him behind the rock. Now muttering their anger and disappointment, the villagers left the place one by one. Now muttering means speaking unclearly. All of them were speaking unclearly and angrily and disappointment. All the villagers, all the neighbors who gathered there, they left the place one by one. Now Taro came out from his hiding place. Was it true? He wondered. So now he think that, was it true? શું આ ટ્રુ છે? Was the shake a dream? કાલે મને અહીંયાથી શેક મળ્યું હતું. So is this shake story is a dream? So he thought that was a shake a dream. Once more he caught a little liquid in his hand and put it to his lips. So once again he came near to that waterfall and then he take some water from that waterfall and he tasted it. It was the same fine shake. Surprise! It was the same fine shake. Okay, for all the neighbors, for all the villagers, it was not shake but only cold water. But when Taro tasted it, it was a shake. બધા જ વિલેજર્સને કેવો ટેસ્ટ લાગ્યો? ઇટ ઇઝ ઓનલી વોટર. પણ જ્યારે તારો ટેસ્ટ કરે ત્યારે એ શું બની જાય? ઇટ વોઝ અ શેક, ડિલિશિયસ શેક. To the thoughtful son, the magic waterfall gave the delicious shake. So only to the Taro, the magic waterfall gave the shake. It was clear. Okay, so that was the magic waterfall who gave only Taro to a shake. To everyone else, it gave only cold water. So for other people, the waterfall gave only cold water. But it is only Taro, for him the waterfall gave delicious shake. બધાને આ વોટરફોલ શું આપે? કોલ્ડ વોટર. બટ જ્યારે તારો ટેસ્ટ કરે તો શું બની જાય? ઇટ ઇઝ ડિલિશિયસ શેક. It is magic waterfall. Okay, so let's turn the page. The story of the Taro and his magic waterfall reached the Emperor of Japan. He sent for the young woodcutter and rewarded him with 20 pieces of gold. Now, this story of Taro, magic waterfall, was reached at the emperor of Japan. જાપાનના emperor સુધી આ જે સ્ટોરી છે કોની ટારોની, it was reached to the emperor of Japan. Then the emperor, the king, sent for the young woodcutter and rewarded him with 20 pieces of gold. So the emperor, the king of Japan, rewarded Taro a 20 piece of gold for having been so good and kind. So why the waterfall gave the Taro a shake? Because he was very good and very kind. He was very obeyed, very decent and very honored and thoughtful son. Okay, so he always honor his parent, he always obey his parent. So this waterfall gave Taro a shake. Okay, so he was rewarded 20 piece of gold by Japan king. Then he named the most beautiful fountain in the city after Taro. So king named that waterfall after the name of Taro. તો ટારોના નામ પરથી આ વોટરફોલનું નામ પણ શું રાખવામાં આવ્યું? ટારો. This said the emperor was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. So the Japanese king wanted to encourage all the children to honor and obey their parents. So the king named that waterfall after Taro, so that all the children also encouraged by Taro. Okay, so that is the story, a Japanese story retold. Okay, it is the story of Taro and for the children, and he was very obeyed and very thoughtful son. He wanted to work hard and give everything to his parents, just like આવું બીજું કોની આપણે સ્ટોરી સાંભળી છે? હા, એનીવન આવી સ્ટોરી આપણે સાંભળી છે ને? કોની? શ્રવણ. ઓકે, so just like Shravan, Taro was also very obeyed and very thoughtful son. Okay, and because of that, because of his this goodness, that waterfall was become magic waterfall and give him a shake and not only a cold water. તો આની આટલી ગુડનેસ છે, આ જે બોય છે ટારો, he was so good and because of his goodness આ જે waterfall એમને શું આપે છે? A delicious drink, shake. Okay, so children, you also have get lesson from this Taro. You also have to be very obeyed son, okay, and honor to your parent. Okay, children, the next exercises we will discuss later. Till then, take care students, stay home, stay safe.